everyone. So the other day I had done a haul of dies from Globland.com. So I'm going to show you what they look like all cut out now. So just a little refresher. Here are what the dies did look like. I love these. They're going to make beautiful little doilies. This one I thought would be perfect for Halloween time. We have some bows in here as well. Then here's some more of those little doilies. And I do have another set that I left the die in the living room because I was working on it. So I'll just have to show you what those look like, and then we're going to put some together. So here is just a few of the little die cuts all cut out right here. So this is the floral set right here, and you can see here is the die right here. So what I did was I just cut them out because I didn't want the flower to cut in the circle right there. So there's this flower die that matches the little doily part. So that's what these are right here. So they are just little flower pieces. And then let me show you what that doily looks like. It is in here. I got so many done. So here is that floral one right there. And then just see what it looked like when it's all attached. There's this one, which I don't like. That's why I ended up cutting them all out and doing them into two pieces. So this is what this die looks like right here. And then that's what the little cut apart looks like. So in this video, I'm just going to show you what everything looks like. And then in the next video, I'm going to be putting some projects together to show you. So here is the little swirly, but this is actually butterflies. So let me show you in the gold right here. You can definitely see the butterflies a lot better, and that's this die right here. And it does come with the little butterfly die cut, which is this one right here. So you can just see what that little butterfly looks like. And then here is the heart, and then that's what the heart looks like right there, which is this die. And then it does come with the little love die cut as well. And the love die cut looks like this one. And then this is just like the little swirly one, which is this one. And this one came with a feather. And then here is that little feather right there. And there's just another one of the hearts. I love this one. This little like viney one is this die set right there. And then it does come with this little die cut. You can see right here in the back. So this is the die cut that comes with the vine little doily. Now if you wanted to just to have this little center spot, I wanted to show you what that would look like. So here it is in gold. Here is that same die in purple, but what I wanted to show you was if you wanted just that center little doily spot, you can definitely do that. So all that you have to do is just go in and clip off the little vines and kind of try to like round it. And then you can now just go ahead and have that whole little center doily without those vines. It does take a little bit more extra work because you are going to have to go through and just cut them off, but now you have a whole nother piece that you could go ahead and work with, and then you could definitely take these vines and layer them up for another project. So I just wanted to show you guys that. So see, there we go. So here is what it originally looked like. It had this little center doily and it has these vines along the edge. And then I just went through and I snipped off all of those vines. And now I have another little doily center. And then if I wanted to, I could go in and use all of these as well, just for extra little embellishment pieces. So you have a lot of different uses for that one. And then then there's that flower one. And then there is a star one. Or a bow one, I'm sorry. Which is this one, which has the little bows. So let me dig through here. See, here's that butterfly one. Here's some of those doilies. Here's the bow one, which I love the cut of the bow. It is so beautiful. And let's see. See, I'm like, you could just sit down and just cut out a whole bunch. Here's the bow again. So that's what it looks like. There's little stars. And you can definitely save the little stars to have more little ephemera pieces. Here are those, what's it called? The star one that I wanted to use for like Halloween. So what I was thinking of doing is just kind of layering these up a little bit. Just to get like a little bit more dimension, a little bit more of a double little swirl going on there. So I'm going to be doing that and then using these as a layering piece in the next video. From the bow die, which is this one, look at how gorgeous these wings cut. You can definitely use these not just for the bow, but use it for another project, which I want to do. So like I said, I just kind of cut everything out so you can get an idea of what everything looks like for right now. And then in the next video, I'm going to go ahead and start layering the pieces together. See, like this is the unicorn right here. So here is the unicorn die, and then you're going to layer these two pieces together to make that unicorn horn a little bit more 3D. Here's that little star. So there's just a ton of stuff. Now the one that I left in the other room are these die cuts right here. So these are little bobbins for your thread, so, or your ribbon. So I have some of these done already. So what I did was, this is a back piece of some sticker clearance that I had just bought, and I was trying to organize my stickers. So instead of throwing this away because it is a little thick, I just went ahead and I layered it up. So that's what a lot of these are on. You'll see all of these backings are white, so they are just two pieces of paper layered up. So here's that back paper of the packaging, and then this is from my scrap bin that I just took out a bunch of these scrap pieces and put them together. So I did all of these just one-sided, but then I decided to try them be a little bit nicer looking and put 2 layers, and now I'm obsessed with the 2 layers. So it's going to take a lot more work to cut out 2 papers to glue together, but I think I'm going to go this route from now on, because I do like the look of having it just be clean on both sides. So this is my new favorite way, and then this comes out a lot thicker because you do have those multiple layers. So this one is actually 3 layers of paper. I still used that centerpiece, which was packaging, and then the 2 pieces of the floral. So it's now nice and super thick. So I'm just going to show you how I put these together. So like I said, I cut out the first piece in packaging, which is this right here. Like I said, it's just the background from the stickers. You can see that there is even some writing on here. It doesn't matter because we're going to cover that up with paper. And then you're just going to take your favorite glue. My new one is Barely Arts. I barely started using this stuff and I'm already obsessed with it. So you're just going to go ahead, and what I did was I just put some glue all along the edge and then just down the middle. And then what I did was I just lined it up the best that I could. Just go ahead and scooch it around before that paper sets in, and then go to the other side. Throw some more glue on that side. And then go ahead and just hold that together like that. Line it all up and then smush it on down. And then that just gives it such a cleaner look to have both sides completed. So Like I said, I did a couple of these with the double-sided, and I'm just obsessed with how those came out. So now I want to do the rest the same way, because I just think it looks so much nicer. You see, all of these are double-sided, but these are already done, so I'm just going to leave them as they are. They're, you know, the back is white. It's still very clean looking, still really nice, but I'm loving the double layer effect. So we're just going to leave these as they are. So yeah, I wanted to share that with you. This die did come in 2 different sizes. So let me show you the larger size, which is this one, so you can just compare. So, did I do any of these? I don't think I finished any of these. So here's the whole little baggie. You just sit down and start cranking these out as you're watching TV. You guys know how I do. So here is just the packaging again from the stickers. So just go ahead and do the same thing. Just throw some glue on here. And just go ahead and line those up. And then just smush those pieces together. I should have got one that had 2 pieces. Do I have another one of those green ones? I don't think I have another one of those green ones. Anyways, I need to go cut out another piece of that green one. That was a bad example to show you because I want to start doing these back to back. But yeah, that's what they look like. So this is the larger one. So you can just compare the size of those. I'm really obsessed with these. I think these are going to be fabulous for when you're sending out Happy Mail or swaps and you want to tie your ribbon around something and still make it look really, really cute. So I love that there's a little hole on top so you can like attach them together. I was also thinking about popping a eyelet through the corner here and dangling beads, like a little dangle, because you guys know I'm obsessed with beads. So I might be doing that as well. Let me show you some ribbon. I'm like, of course, now that I want ribbon, I don't have any right off near me. Here we go. So what you take is your ribbon here. Like I said, in the next video, I'm going to start putting everything together just to show you guys what like some completed projects would look like. But you're just going to take your ribbon right here and just go ahead and start winding it around. Measure out how much ribbon you would like. And then now you have your little ribbon sample. You see, doesn't that look so much cuter on this little like spool? This little like bobbin spool. I think that's so cute. So I definitely want to put some of these together and just to have on hand, I think would be really nice. Definitely if you are sending like some happy mail, some thank you mail, some swaps, these are just going to be really cute. And then like I said, to pop a little eyelet right here, do a little couple beads or a little charm would be super cute. And then you still have this area where you can stick like a jump ring through, so then you can still attach these two together and then just take a larger ribbon and tie it off right there as well. So all right, you guys, I hope you guys are having a fabulous day. I cannot wait to put some things together and share with you guys what this all turns out and looks like, and we'll see you later. Oh, I will leave the link down below to these dies and to the website if you want to go check them out. All right, bye guys.